एक बार फिर से आएंगे लता दीनानाथ मंगेशकर पुरस्कार 2024। भाई इन पुरस्कारों का मुंबई में ऐलान किया गया। लता मंगेशकर और इस बार अमिताभ बच्चन, ए.आर. रहमान, अशोक सराफ, पद्मिनी कोल्हापुरे, रूप कुमार राठौड़ और रणदीप हुड्डा जैसे नामों को ये दिया जाएगा। पंडित हृदयनाथ मंगेशकर परिवार ने मुंबई में इसका ऐलान किया, जहां पर पंडित हृदयनाथ मंगेशकर के साथ थे ढेर सारे संगीत से जुड़े हुए लोग। जो लता मंगेशकर के घर प्रभु कुंज में पंडित हृदयनाथ मंगेशकर के साथ उषा मंगेशकर और आदिनाथ मंगेशकर ने इस साल के विजेताओं का ऐलान किया और जल्द ही होंगे ये पुरस्कार। फिलहाल ये घोषणा है कि कौन कौन होंगे इस बार इस पुरस्कार के हिस्से।
Namaskar. Very warm welcome to everybody here. As always, as you do every year, you have been kind and generous enough to come here and attend this press conference. So our entire trust and our family thanks you from the bottom of our hearts. Before I begin, I want to humbly and profoundly apologize for the delay that you had to wait so long before the press conference started. So my apologies for that. As Baba, my father, has said that this is the 82nd Memorial Day, the Punya Tithi of my grandfather, Master Dinanath Mangeshkar ji. Didi, as in Paramadaraniya Lata Didi, has been commemorating this day without break since 1943, and it was her desire that even after everybody passes on, this work should not stop, and the Memorial Day of my grandfather, Master Dinanath Mangeshkar ji, should be commemorated and marked by holding a special event and also by awarding and honoring the great luminaries from various fields. To the best of my knowledge, we have given over 212 awards so far in the last 30 years, Raviji? 34 years. In the last 34 years, we have given more than 212 awards, and this year, as you notice, there are 11 more that will join the August list of the recipients. As you are very well aware that when Didi passed on, we refer to it internally in our family as her Samadhi Divas. At that point of time in 2022, our trust and the family, the Master Dinanath Smriti Pratishthan, and the family took a decision that we should celebrate her legacy by institutionalizing the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar. As you are aware that the first recipient of the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award was none other than our Prime Minister Paramadaraniya Narendra Modi ji. Last year, the recipient of the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar was none other than the living legend Paramadaraniya Ashatai Bhosle ji. Similarly, keeping in line with this entire galaxy of luminaries, this year we are very honored and pleased to announce that the recipient of the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar is Paramadaraniya Padma Vibhushan Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. He has been very gracious to accept this award and will be attending the function in person. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Award for excellence in music direction and composing goes to yet another living legend, Maestro A.R. Rahman, somebody I think who we all are very die-hard fans of. The Mohan Wagh Puraskar, which is for excellence in a dramatic and theatrical production of the year, goes to the play Ghalib. The Anandamayi Puraskar, which is inspired by Ashatai, goes to the Deepastambha Foundation Manobal for their exemplary and excellent service in the field of social service. The Vag Vilasini Puraskar, which is our award, goes to Srimati Manjiri Tai Phadke. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar for excellence in dramatics, theatre and cinema goes to Shri Ashok Saraf sir. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar for Excellence in Cinema goes to Srimati Padmini Kolhapure ji. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar for Excellence in Vocal Music goes to Shri Roop Kumar Rathod ji. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar for Excellence in Literature and Journalism goes to Shri Bhau Torsekar ji. The Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar for Excellence in Theatre and Dramatics goes to Shri Atul Parsure ji. And the Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Vishesh Puraskar, which is a special award, goes to Shri Randeep Hooda for the most excellent cinematic creation of the year. Paramadarniya Ashatai has very graciously accepted to be the chief guest for the function, and she will be giving out these awards personally to all the galaxy of luminaries that have been mentioned. Following this, there is a program called Shri Sharada Vishwa Mohini Lata Didi. This is a concert of songs of Paramadarniya Lata Didi, and the artist who will be performing the songs will be Sushri Vibhavari Apte Joshi, along with many musicians who are very well known from the industry. The event has been organized by the Master Dinanath Smriti Pratishthan and Shri Avinash Prabhavarkar of Hridayesh Arts. Adarniya Avinash Prabhavarkar ji has just also told me that the venue of the concert is the Master Dinanath Mangeshkar Natyagraha, Vile Parle, Mumbai, 6:30 p.m., 24th of April. Thank you. Harish Uncle, over to you, sir.
All I would say is that इन कार्यक्रमों में उद्घोषणा करनी ये मेरे लिए परम सौभाग्य का विषय है. In fact, I can honestly say that anchoring these historically reminiscent concerts of Master Dinanath Puraskar have been some of my high points of my anchoring career. I have been often asked that Master Dinanath was known as a singer. So why are there awards in so many dimensions? Why is there an award for an actor? अक्सर हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि मास्टर दीनानाथ जी की प्रतिभा बहुआयामीय थी, मल्टी डायमेंशनल थी. वो एक उत्कृष्ट कलाकार कह सकते हैं जो कि एक अभिनेता थे, निर्देशक थे, लेखन में उनका दखल था, वो संगीत दिग्दर्शक कहें या कंपोजर, सिंगर, थिएटर डायरेक्टर, और उसके परिणाम स्वरूप हम देखते हैं कि हर वर्ष 1943 से लेकर आज कितनी सारी विधाओं में ये पुरस्कार दिए जाते हैं. And these are definitely some of the most prestigious awards that artists look forward to and consider themselves fortunate to receive. I look forward to, with some trepidation, the evening of 24th of April 2024.
मंगेशकर परिवार की तरफ से स्वागत है. मेरे लिए इस वक्त कुछ कहना, आई एम स्पीचलेस. पिछले 45 साल से मैं संगीत का साधक रहा हूँ, संगीत की सेवा कर रहा हूँ, और ये अवार्ड मेरे लिए जो है वो ऑस्कर या ग्रैमी से कम नहीं है। मुझे लगता है ये उससे भी बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है कि इनकी छत्र छाया में आ जाना। मास्टर दीनानाथ पुरस्कार और मंगेशकर परिवार का ये अवार्ड जो है, ये इतना बड़ा आशीर्वाद है कलाकार के लिए कि जैसे बहुत जन्मों के बाद मोक्ष मिलता है, उसी तरह अगर कलाकार को ये अवार्ड से नवाजा जाए तो मुझे लगता है कि ये किसी मोक्ष से कम नहीं है। मैं अपने आप को बहुत भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि ये पुरस्कार के लिए मेरा नाम चुना गया है। मैं रदना जी का, उषाताई का, आशाताई का, आदरणीय दीदी का और मास्टर दीनानाथ जी का जीवन भर ऋणी रहूँगा। और ऋणी हर कलाकार इस परिवार का ऋणी है। संगीत जिसने भी किया है, जिसने भी सीखा है, जिसने भी गाया बजाया है, वो हर कलाकार इस घर का शागिर्द है, ऐसा मेरा मानना है। तो बहुत बहुत मैं अपने आप को भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ। एंड थैंक यू सो मच। एक बार फिर से थैंक यू आदि।